So we have an opening question for the Halachot of Pesach. Is it possible for Ashkenazi guy to do a Tarat Nedarim to eat Kitniyot? That's a very serious question. It's not so simple, and depends who you will ask. Different people, different rabbis that you will ask, you'll get different answers. I had a friend that he was married with a Sephardic woman, and he went to Rav Mordechai Eliyahu, which is Sephardic rabbi, Zatzar, and he asked Rav Mordechai Eliyahu, look, I'm going to my in-laws in Pesach.
Well, you say
they're having full table that is full of Kitniyot. You know, like
we're having is Kitniyot.
It's very difficult to be Ashkenazi on a Sephardi table in Pesach. You know, it's my in-laws. I don't want to insult them. Please, Rabbi, give me permission to do a Tarat Nedarim to eat those wonderful Kitniyot, rice and beans and so on. Rav Mordechai Eliyahu told him no, can't do it, and that's a Sephardic rabbi. Okay,
Rabbi Yosef holds that no.
So the reason for that is because this custom of not eating Kitniyot is mentioned in the Gemara. It's a very ancient custom. It was like a back and forth, and there was like a lot of like ups and downs with this custom. But
it already existed.
It goes back like a long way. Okay,
it's not like 1600s Germany. Yeah.
So there is definitely a custom for that. But that's a big but. There is a very good source for the Ashkenazim. Actually, the Rama himself writes it when he's speaking about this custom of not eating rice and beans and so on. He says that this is just for those specific things that was mentioned in the sources of this custom.
In the Gemara?
In the Gemara, the Rishonim, that speaks about it. And that's it.
So not corn.
So the things that are added on top of that, that's a space that you can be lenient about. Okay, that's a space that you can be lenient about.
So you can do after maybe eat those. Maybe.
And obviously, like anything else, you have to check, to make sure that it's only that and there's no other thing there, chametz. You know. So, for example, like if you mention corn, so there is like the fresh corn is very easy to be lenient about because it's more of a vegetable. Yeah, even green beans is not. The problem is the dry beans. The problem is the flour. Yeah, so if you take like corn flour
and make tortillas,
corn meals, that's something else. That's something that is harder to permit. But I'm not saying it's out, but it's harder to permit.
The same way we can permit sesame oil.
Oil generally, oil is much easier.
Okay.
So even soya oil, yeah. I personally I don't use it like all year long. I don't like it. Yeah, I like olive oil anyhow.
Yeah.
There was my wife and she was like growing here in Yerushalayim by Ashkenazi, very strong tradition, Ashkenazi. So for her, when she comes to us, she smells like the cooking with olive oil. She says, that's the smell of Pesach. Like in Pesach they would use olive oil. I guess because it was expensive in their times. Today, Baruch Hashem, we have so much, so the price went down, so we can afford it to use it in the rest of the year as well. Anyhow,
I have a real question for you.
So that's about the Kitniyot. Bezrat Hashem. L'chaim tovim u'l'shalom.